Okay, I was just going to show you guys how you can do this spreadsheet here, the average deviation from the mean. If you're having trouble with it at home there, especially. So you got this set up here, it has all these states and their population. First thing you want to do is find the mean, find the average. So that the easy way to do that is click, I'll just put it up here somewhere. I'm going to say equals average, start the parenthesis, and then you can just go over here and then drag down and highlight what do you want to find the average of. So I just drag over all these all the way down to Wyoming, end it, and I'll end that parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, that actually calculates it out. So if you click here, you can see the formula again. Average, it averaged C6 colon C56. You could have just typed this in too. That would also worked if you didn't want to highlight down. Okay, so now we got to find how far away these each are from the mean. So I'll click right next to this first one, equals. I'm going to do this number here, minus. I don't want to click on this one. I'm actually just going to type it in, 6, 4, 3, 7, 2, 6, 6. Okay, and I'll explain later why I didn't just click on this one. So you're going to do C6 minus that. That's how far away it is from the mean. Actually, there's this autofill thing that comes up that probably would work, but let's just do it out without that in case that doesn't pop up for you. I did a percent. Oops, I gotta change this so it's not a percent. I'll make it so it's not a percent on yours, but just let me switch that quick. Format. Just want it to be a number. Boom. Okay. So this is how far away it is from the mean. Mine has 2 decimals there. You can actually just take this now, click on this where this formula is, and drag this little box in the corner down, and it'll do that on each one. Okay, so what that did was it took, if you click on it and look here, now I did C7 minus that mean, and then the next one I did C8. So it's always taking this number here and minusing this from it. Now some of these came out negative, so we want to make them positive. Easy way to do that is you say equals ABS, remember absolute value from your math class, parenthesis, and then I can just click here, D6, and the parenthesis. Okay, and that just keeps the number the same, but if it's negative, it will turn it positive. So if I drag that formula down, oops, one more, you see what it did is some of these negative ones, it turned them to positives. If they're already positive, they stay positive. That's the absolute value function. Okay, so last step is the average deviation from the mean. That's the thing we're looking for here. So to find that, this was just the mean over here. We just average all these numbers. So one more time, equals average, parenthesis, and then I could either say E6 colon E56. I like just highlighting. To me, it's just easier just to highlight down instead of typing that out. Okay, and then you can end the parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, so right there. I kind of like to round these off. So when I go format number, if I do this one, I believe it takes that decimal away. So about 4 million looks like is the average. 4.7 million actually is the average deviation from the mean, which is pretty big. Okay, which means the states are pretty spread out, right? Some states are very small and some are very big. They're quite, there's some far below the mean, some far above. That's why this number is so big. All right.